How to fix ScanToComputer is no longer activated on Windows. 1. Install the correct drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Start WIA, Window Image Acquisition, Service. 3. For HP computer users, run ScanToPCActivationApp.exe in its Windows 8 or 7 compatibility mode. Like this. 4. Disable ScanToPCActivationApp from running by a task manager. 5. Stop Windows push notification. By disabling Windows Push Notification System Service.